ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्येभ्यो नमो नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुचरण कमलेभ्यो नमो नमः। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्या आरम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। हरि ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणपति भगवान की जय। प्रेम से बोलो श्री सरस्वती माता की जय। श्री गुरु भगवान की जय। Jai Sitaram to our beautiful devotees logging on this evening to join us in our Shri Hanuman Chalisa Satsang. Tonight I want to bid each and every one of you a humble pranam on behalf of all of our devotees at our mandir, all of our supporters, everyone. Tonight we want to sing with you, we want to laugh with you, we want to cry with you, and we simply just want to enjoy these few moments of devotion with each and every one of you. Coming to you live this evening, myself along with my comrades here, these wonderful Gandharvas. This evening we are blessed to have my nephew once again, Kiranji. We are so blessed to have a female dholak player, Ashley ji, such a fantastic devotee of God. Our dear Crystal ji is here with us this evening. And of course behind the cameras I have my brother Karan joining us this evening. But we are so happy and blessed to have a great soul with us here this evening. And he's no other than our very own Shriman Kali Charan, Uncle Kali ji. Everybody knows him as. And this evening, through a little simple text message, see you tomorrow night, he decided to show up with Uncle Ram to join us in our Chalisa. And on behalf of all of us, we want to thank him for being with us here this evening. Devotees all, we surrender to Hanumanji. Why? Tav maya bas fir hu bhulana, taate main nahi prabhu pehchana. Hanumanji says to the Lord that I have become so caught up in the falseness of the world, Lord, that I don't know what is true, I don't know what is sincere, I don't know what is divine anymore. Hence he was telling Shri Ram that I cannot even recognize you, O Lord, because of all the falseness that I have allowed to take governance over my body, my soul, my Atma. Tate mein nahi. I cannot even recognize you. Hence, Ram says you need to pray more, O Hanumanji. And tonight once again we surrender in the beautiful chanting of these divine songs to God. Om Shri Guru Charan Roj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar सो जोदायक फलचार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके sharpen my intellect, O Lord. Sumiro Pavan Kumar, you're the Lord of the wind, the Lord of strength and might. Bal Buddhi Vidya Deho Mohi, give me strength, give me intelligence, give me wisdom, O Lord. Deho Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikar. And in doing so, bless me so that I may be able to eradicate the falseness, the false hope of life. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapish Tihu Lok Ujagar. Vikram Bajrangi Umat Nivar Sumat Ke Sangi Kanchan Varna Viraj Subesa Kainal Kundal Kunchit Kesa Aasvatra aur Dhwaja Viraje Aante Moj Jane Osage Shankar Subhana सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सिया ही दिखावा विकट रूप धरि रक्त जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम महाप्रिया भरत संभाई सरस वदन तुम्हरो जस गावे अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा दिक्पाल जहाते आदि को बिगर कहीं सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाई राज बर दीन्हा तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जन जाना युग सहस्र जो जन पलवान लीलो ताहि मधुर धर जानो प्रभुमुद्रिका में कमाही जल्दी लांघी अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुब्रह्मण्योग्रह तुम्हारे देते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे पूतना क्या बिन पैसारे संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलवीरा। जय जय हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो शत बार पाठ कर कोई, जो जयवंती महासुर होई। जो जब पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरिकेरा। जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा, जय नाथ हृदय महादेवा। पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियापति रामचंद्र की जय, शरणम प्रभु। What a beautiful way to spend our Tuesday evening, to surrender at the beautiful feet of our Lord. This is what satsang is all about, my dear sisters and brothers, and it is what devotion is all about. We surrender our entire being to God, thanking God for our blessings and hoping that tomorrow the Lord will inspire us even more to have better judgment and to make better choices in our lives. There's a beautiful song a devotee sings to Bhagavan Krishna, Anupari mein. I have been searching and searching, but I can't seem to find happiness, O Lord. But then when I realize happiness only lies at your feet, Ekandhar. Mohe chakar samjanihar. I am your chakar, your servant, and I want you to respond to my call tonight, O Krishna. Help me, O Lord, for I am standing at your doors. O Kandha, Kandha, Anupari mein tere dwar. चाकर जिस चाहे ऐसे नहीं मैं क्या तेरे राधा कैसे नहीं मैं तू जिस चाहे ऐसे नहीं मैं तेरी राधा जैसे नहीं से कैसे नहीं मैं कृष्णा देख तुरे एक बार बूंद ही बूंद में प्यार की चुनकर प्यासी रही पर आए हो गिरधर
बूंद ही बूंद में प्यार की चुनकर आती राधा जैसे नहीं है
टूट हो जाए आस के त्याग मोहना का करियो नहीं Don't ever lose hope, don't ever lose faith, but have more conviction. Believe in God and believe that God will help you and I, each and every one of us. Prem Solo Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan Ki Jai. I would like now to ask our dear Crystal Ji to lead us in 2 bhajans, and after that we'll listen to our brother Bhai Kali Ji, and he will dedicate at least 2 or 3 bhajans also to our devotees.
हरि ओम हरि
says that bhajan is to the soul as bhojan is to the body. So what the body needs for strength, we turn to food. What the soul needs to be revived, to be re-energized, bhajans serves as these beautiful therapy for our soul's devotees. Sing and sing, sing more.
केशवा माधवा जय देवा मधुसूदना केशवा माधवा जय देवा मधुसूदना
Well, Crystal ji will find one more bhajan for the evening. So beautifully, Keshava, Madhava, Jayadevo, Jayadeva, Madhusudana. So beautifully, these simple words, simple kirtan, You know, Guruji always used to tell us that kirtan. Kir means to soothe, to bring calm, serenity, and tan means the body. So when you are stressed, overwhelmed with pain and all kinds of sufferings, kirtan, get involved in chanting the beautiful names of God. I read this one today in Napoleon Hill. She says, if you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Over back to Crystal Jack. बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय. Devotees all, I will like to bring to the microphone now at this time our dear Shriman Kaliji. Now this young man, on behalf of all of us at our mandir and other organizations, other temples, other mandirs across, the tri-state area. This soul is very, very special. He's a very unique man, him and his family. Auntie Vero ji, and of course Savita ji. You know, they're a unique family, and they're always willing to help, willing to lend a helping hand, willing to support anytime you call on him. And I have the greatest respect, the greatest honor, and more so, I have a lot of regards for this man and his family. Our dear Kaleji, I want to thank you once again for being with us here tonight. The song says, the quote says, "Stop planting flowers in people's yards who aren't going to water them." So remember, you can give somebody everything that they possibly need or want, but if they don't know how to cherish it, then it is of no use. This man here has been giving us water, water, water every year. We have our car wash. Over to Uncle Kaleji.
चीर कचाती बोले अपनी चीर कचाती बोले अपनी पवन पुत्र हनुमान बोलो पवन पुत्र मेरे मन में बसे है राम, मेरे तन में बसे है राम,
मेरे मन में बसे है राम, मेरे तन में बसे है राम,
मेरे मन में बसे है राम, मेरे तन में बसे है राम,
मेरे मन में बसे है राम, मेरे तन में बसे है राम।
सीता हरना यारा सीता लाए
बसेरे
Very simple language. Let your mind always be focused on God. Don't forget, you're only human. It's okay to have a meltdown. Just don't unpack and live there. Cry it out, then refocus on where you're headed. These beautiful quotes, so uplifting to our broken hearts.
जन्म सफल होगा रे बंदे मन में नाम बसारे मन में
Money says, earn me, forget everything. Time says, follow me, forget everything. Future says, struggle for me, forget everything. God says, just remember me and I'll give you everything. Surrender to God, devotees. Janama Safal, success will always be ours.
मीठे रस से भरो रे राधा रानी लागे, राधा रानी लागे। मैंने खारो खारो यमुना जी न पानी लागे।
Thank you.
say to all of our sisters and brothers watching us, stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. So says Albert Einstein. Stay away from negative people. They always have a problem for every solution. Think about that, devotees, this evening. Once again, we will join together with our concluding Hanuman Chalisa, and then I have a special prayer for all of our birthday celebrants here this evening. Tonight I want to say once again thank you to all of you for your continuous support, all your generous donations that you have been sending in online, in the sense of direct banking or sending your checks and so forth to the Mandir. We want to say thank you. Every cent counts, and we do appreciate it tremendously. Tonight, the Prashadam has been donated by our very own Auntie Mohini from our Mandir, and also she gave a donation of $105. So on behalf of all of us, we want to say thank you to that beautiful family. Let's all sing together the beautiful praises of Hanumanji. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Nij Mana Mukura Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimala Jaso Jodayak फलचार बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. Gurkhaliji was the first person I heard sung this tune. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapish Tiho Lok Ujagar. सियापति रामचंद्र की जय. Once again, I want to say thank you to our dear Kukali ji for joining us this evening. Sorry I started you so high on the scale, brother. That's okay. I want to say thank you to Crystal, Ashley, Amkuram, and Kiran ji, my brother Karan, for joining us this evening here as we come live into your beautiful homes to join in a few moments of devotion. None of this can happen without the grace of God, and tonight we all bow to God and we say thank you for allowing us to do what we love. To all the birthday celebrants this evening, we want to wish Pandit Dhanesh Prasad from Guyana happy birthday. We want to wish our Damien ji a happy birthday, the son of Ivan ji and Uncle Golin. Our dear Rakesh ji will be celebrating his birthday. We want to say happy birthday to you, Prabhu. Our dear Sonia Prasad will be celebrating her birthday. We want to say happy birthday to you. Our dear Malini ji, this is the wife of Umesh ji. We want to say happy birthday to you. And of course, our very own Shriman Mantu ji, who will be celebrating his birthday. We want to say happy birthday to all these great souls. Tonight we want to sing. Janmadin midam aaye priyatam shantunu te sarvada mudam prarthayamahe bhavashatayushi Ishwar sada tvam charachata punya karmana kirti marjaya punya karmana kirti marjaya jivanam tava bhavatu sarthakam jivanam tava bhavatu sarthakam. To Mataji Lalita, I owe you a happy birthday wish for the longest while now. This is the mother of Krista. Happy birthday to you, Mom. In English, this is what we're saying to all the birthday celebrants. Your special day has come. Once again, our dear, and all that we can do is to show you how we care. We wish you peace and joy for 100 years and more. We pray that every day brings you happiness to the core. Your kindness the world must know, whether sunshine, rain or snow. May all your dreams come true, and our sweet Lord bless you too. May all your dreams come true, and our sweet Lord bless you too. Your favorite. जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को, सौ सौ बहार मैंने जन्म में Kali for that. Happy birthday to all these wonderful souls, and may you live to see many, many more years of perfect health, happiness, peace, prosperity, and may all your dreams and aspirations always come true. Devotees all, kindly join us back on Friday evening. During Navratri, I announced Saturday, but that was an error, please forgive me. On Friday evening at 7 p.m., we're going to be doing our Purnima, our Satnarayan Vrat Katha. So please join us again Friday evening at 7 p.m. And then of course join us back on Sunday morning 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Central Time, and 7 a.m. Pacific Time, where Pandit Deepak Ji will be coming live from Minnesota. And I want to let everyone know two announcements. Number one, please remember Sunday morning, I believe at 2 a.m. the time changes, right? So before you go to bed, change your time so you don't have to worry about that, so you can get up on time. So remember, the time is moving backwards, 1 hour, fall back. So please make sure you change your times for that. And the next announcement is, starting next Tuesday night for our Chalisas, we're going to change the time. Rather from 7:30, we're going to put it to 7 p.m. because of the change of time and getting dark and everything. So please note those two announcements. Change of time, and our Chalisa will be from 7 p.m. starting next week, Tuesday. Let's all conclude in our prayers. Oh Lord, thank you again and again as we ask of you for your continuous guidance. Shantakaram Bhujag Shainam Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham
Megavaranam Subhagyam
Lakshmi Kantam Kamalanayan
Yogi Vidyana Gamyam
Vande Vishnu Bhavabhayharam
Sarvadurge Ganatanam
Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva
Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva
Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva
Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu
Gurudeva
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah
Hari Om Shanti
Shanti Hari Om.
I want to thank all of you, family and friends, our supporters, for joining us this evening. Thank you for spending 1 hour and 15 minutes with us. And we do hope and pray that 1 hour and 50 minutes would have given you some kind of positive feeling in your life, in your home. To each and every one of you, to God, we bow again and again. Boliye Prem se bolo Shri Mahavir Swami ki, Prem se bolo Shri Satya Sanatan Dharma ki, Sab Santan ki, Jai Jai Sita Ram.